everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see quantifiers and rejects. So let's get started with today's video. So quantifiers basically indicate number of characters or expressions to match. So here you can see number of quantifiers. So star is there, that will match 0 or 1 preceding characters. Plus is there, it will match 1 or more. Question mark, it will match just 0 or 1 time. Then you can see with curly bracket n is there, so it creates a specific numbers quantifier range, that how many times it should occur basically. So here n comma, you can see that at least that number of time it can occur or more than that. And last term, and last you can see at least n time it should be and not more than m times. So it's a basically range that is created. So by default, basically quantifiers are greedy, so they will match as much like string as possible. So if we want to limit them, then we need like question mark at the end, that will make them non-greedy. So it will stop as like first match or like will be there. So now, let's see this by example. So now let's pass a test string. Let's say we will see quantifiers today. So now let's say if I'll pass slash w, that is a word character, and if I'll pass plus, so you can see it's matching. So it will match w, that is first character, then v because that's also a word character, and plus means that one or two times, but after that is space. So rejects output will be v. So that is all in right hand side, that is all like possible matches are shown, but first that will be as a result is v. So now let's write dot stars. Dot will match any character, and star means 0 or more like possible number of times. Why? So that's why it's giving complete string as an output. So let's say let me change to y star. So you can see as of now only one y we have. So let me just write slash w. So this will just take one word, that is a, one basically character a. So it will be a y. And now let me change the star to plus. And now let me add y. So here you can see now a because we have added plus. So it will be like one or more times. So if I'll add 10 times also, then you can see it will match that. And if I'll add like pass any other string, then it will not match further. But if I'll pass this in a group, let's say I'll remove I and square bracket, and inside that slash w, then if I'll pass in plus, it will take the complete string. So now let's see question mark. So let's change the string, let's say table tab, and we can pass tall also. So now let's say ta, and after that I'm passing question mark. So this will see that t should be there and a can be there and cannot be there, like 0 or 1 occurrence. And if I'll pass b before question mark, then ta should be there, b can be present or cannot be present. Now in test string, let's pass tabs also. So you can see now that is also it's taken because ta and b is present. So now if I'll pass l after question mark, then it will take table like tabl and tall tal. As in table, b is present, but in tall b is not there. So now let's see quantifier range. So now let's change test string. So let's say we are using or we are seeing quantifiers in regex. So now let's pass first is word, and after that curly bracket that will define your range. So let's say 5 characters. So you can see it's taking seeing quantifiers only quant and rejects complete. And if we'll change 9, so it is just taking quantifiers. R it's not taking, till length of 9 characters it's taking. And if I'll pass comma after 9, then it will take complete quantifiers, because it will be like greater than 9 and equal to 9 length it will take. So let me remove seeing. Let's just two characters only SE, and if I'll pass word with three, or let's say 4 comma, let's say 4 comma 20. So you can see it will take will quantifier today because all are in that range, basically range of characters. So now by default quantifiers are greedy, so to make them non-greedy, so greedy basically means here that it will match as many as possible matches will be there, but if we will put question mark then it will just give us first match. So let's say slash w and I'm passing 6 comma, and after that I'll pass question mark, then you can say it's just giving first one match. So now let's remove curly bracket and write, let's say star. So you can see how it's giving result now, because actually this is just for explanation, it will give you more matches here, but if you will use in your code or something, then ever you will be able to find it more clear. Then plus also if you will check, let's check digit. So you can see we are having three. Now let's change digits here, add more digits here, so you can see. And if I'll pass range also, then you can see it's just giving 3. And if I'll reduce any digit from the string, then you can see it's not taking. So I have covered all the quantifiers. So now let's go for quiz. So you need to write a regex using quantifiers to check O can be present 0 or more times in given string. So below you can see string is given and output you can have a look. So that's output you need to give. So that's all in this video. If you have any doubt related to this topic or quiz, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.